My name is Prema son of Nagarajan. My matric number is 08180363. I'm from class BEI S1/1.
My entry number is B08181048. I'm from BEI S1/1.
Yes.
My name is Sunan. I'm from S1/1. My entry number is B08181052.
Okay, start.
Today I and my groupmates are going to discuss about basic operation of multimeter and error in experiment of test 1.
Alright. The objectives of this lab is to know how to use digital multimeter, accelerometer and analog multimeter to measure current, voltage and resistance. And also second is to know the errors in our experimental data and how to make it to accurate reading of this lab. That's all.
Hi. Okay. The equipment we're gonna use in this experiment is first analog multimeter, digital multimeter, and the LCR. Alright. Another component that we're gonna use is decade capacitance, decade resistor, and the jumper cable. Probe. This is probe. So we must connect this to the decade and use to measure the equipment. So we can measure these two things. What is this? This is resistor. So this is 10 kilo ohms resistor and 20 kilo ohm resistor. Right, that's all.
Okay, today I want to show you how to reading the color code for 4-band resistor. Okay, first this is the color of resistor, and this line first digit the number 0 to 8, and second 0 and 8, and third line is the range of resistor, and next the percentage of range for resistor. Okay, I want to show how to reading the color code for 10 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, first 10 kilo ohm, the color code is first 1 brown, and second line the color is 0. So 10 is to show you the color code is brown and black for the first line and second line. Okay, the range of the 10 kilo ohm is 1K. So this is 1K. So the color of resistor 10 kilo ohm is first line brown, second black, and third line orange and orange.
So following the schedule, the table, so we need to measure the 1 ohm. 1 ohm, so we need to pull here and see here until 200K. 100K equal to 1 amp, so 200K equal to 2 amp. So we need to pull until the value just can measure the value. Okay, this here is stop. So 100K is equal to 1 amp, so just need to measure it here. Okay, positive put here and then negative put here, then you can see the value. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Moving to part 2, I'm going to teach you how to measure the voltage. Okay, so first, we set up the figure using this circuit. So this one is the negative one, and this one is positive one. So just follow the circuit. The negative, put it here. Positive, and then yeah. So in this part, we are going to use digital multimeter and analog multimeter. So we use digital multimeter first. This is the probe. Just connect it with the. We use this part because we want to measure the voltage, and then set the range. Turn on the power supply. Set it into 4 volt. Okay, the range we use is 20 volt because it is up more than 2 volts, so we use 20 volt, and then just touch it. So we get the value 3.68. The value is like closer to the 4 volt because yeah. We are moving to analog multimeter. My friend already show you how to calibrate the multimeter, so I just show you how to measure the voltage using the analog multimeter. So we already set the range. We use DC voltage 12, and then touch it. So the scale moving to 40, it means 4 volt. Same goes to the power supply. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Today I'm going to show how to use SAR to measure the capacitance. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, first is I'm going using the SAR meter, which is I'm going to use 10 micro. Okay, I already set it up. So to use it, first put the positive one here and the negative on this one. Before you're going to take a measure, make sure all the capacitor is on 0 only once we're going to use. Turn it on. Okay, it will automatically show you the number. Okay, that is the number. 10 microfarads. Okay, almost the same with the nominal value. Okay, next I'm going to show you. Second, I'm going to measure the 10 nano. From the decade, I'm going to use 10 farad nano. Put negative here, put positive here. So I'm going to measure it. Is it going to same with the nominal value? The answer is 10.285 nanofarad. So it's almost the same with the nominal farad. So we're gonna put a value here. And lastly, I'm gonna do 5 nano. 5 nano. Here you can see the multiple ones. So we're gonna put it on 5. Measure it. Yes. Answer is 5.085 nanofarad. So also almost the same with the nominal value. That's all. Thank you.
Today I want to teach you about how to measure the calculation in our experiment. First, we want to measure absolute error. We use this formula. Nominal value minus measured value. Second, we want to measure percent of error. With this, we can use this formula. Nominal value minus measured value per nominal value times 100%. Third, relative accuracy. So the formula is 1 minus nominal value and measured value in the bracket. And the last one, we want to measure percent of accuracy. So what we get from percent of error, we minus 100% minus percent of error. The conclusion that we can get from this experiment is we can measure voltage, resistance and current value using digital and analog multimeter.
Right. Second, we can conclude from the experiment is we can measure value of capacitor successfully, and we must use SR multimeter. And the last one, source of error that can be used in this experiment, such as error, we can use by measurement device to measure it. That's all for today. Thank you.